No, it doesn't work.
Not even close.
You're just gonna have to snap your shots.
That's right, I just aim in the centre of the glass. That seemed to work. Because it's perfect.
That's what I just did, and it went fucking sky high. Oh, maybe my eyes are different than yours.
Well, your head's probably bigger.
What the fuck?
Emotional, damn it!
This is a weapon of war. It's made to kill the enemy.
Hello guys, Sniper Twan here, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the third and final part of the Division trilogy down at Gunman Airsoft Camp Alpha. For the final installment of the Division trilogy, we are playing the Dark Zone. Now this game mode is somewhat of a scavenger hunt. There are 3 teams in play today, and all of us are going to be fighting over key points around the map. The main objective is to control these points so we can collect certain resources. Now these resources are in the form of laminated A4 bits of paper. Each resource has its own point value, and the objective is to get one of each resource type. Once we've collected all 4 resource types, our goal is then to extract our bag in order to secure the points. Bear in mind, while we're doing this, there are 2 other teams that will be doing the exact same thing. And just to add a bit more chaos to the game, there is also a 4th team led by the marshals of Gunman Airsoft, known as the Rikers. Now these Rikers take a bit more damage than normal, and may need an extra BB or 2 just to put them down. In addition to that, they're also authorised to use the fully automatic settings on their rifts. Alongside me today is my usual partner in crime, Cobra, who's using his Tokyo Mirai P90. I myself have switched between the SRS A2 and my Tokyo Mirai MP7. And as you may have noticed, the MP7 has had a nice new paint job. That being said, let's jump straight to it.
Black tea, black tea. Is that the outward?
I do really like this paint job.
Well, it's taking too long. I want to get out there and shoot someone. Itching to go. They probably, red and blue have probably already gone off. Having the time of their lives, or green team sat here with a fucking thumb up their ass. You can borrow mine, I'll borrow yours.
Alright. What colour? They've got bands.
Yeah.
No. What colour are you?
Green.
Why are we shooting greens?
Oh, friendly fire.
Yeah, we're green boys.
Oops!
Who said they were red?
Trouble is though, we're going right past their spawn, which is over there, the red team.
You notice Foxeer coming out?
Someone might want to watch that. Just
Yeah, watch the right.
They're also
Past that
kind
way.
of camping at the bottom of the
Movement.
bottom of the mortars as well.
Movement down the road.
movement.
Yeah.
Yeah. We ain't going to go down there, Andy.
Let's go this way.
Just let's.
Yeah, is there another route that we can maybe
Yeah,
flank them
we
around?
can go around. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
let's do.
Wow, that's a powerful weapon. That's coming through this. Go, 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 go! Hit! 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 Hit!
Did I get hit?
No.
Okay.
Direction.
Green medic!
Remedic.
Green medic! Yeah, just stay down so you don't get shot. That'll do. Just stay there, out the way. Green medic! Just put that in safe as well. Right in the armpit.
Didn't get hit on the nuts.
Green medic! Green medic!
Hit!
Pink? I thought they were red.
They are red.
Green medic!
Pink medic. Oh, did I actually got you?
Yeah, I mean, fired after I hit you, but whatever.
Oh. Green medic! 30 seconds.
Hit.
KIA because I'm already hit.
Ten seconds. Right, dead man walking. Oh, I'm gonna wait a sec.
Go on then.
Fucking hell. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. Hit! Good shot. Good trade.
Now, unfortunately, right at the start of the first half, my GoPro's decided to have another meltdown, and as a result, I've lost about 2 hours worth of footage. As this is not the first time this has happened on my channel, I've decided to bin off the GoPro Hero 7 Black and get my hands on a DJI. So I'm looking forward to get that one out in the next game. So for the second half of the game, I decided to get the SRS A2 out. My plan originally was to go around and hunt down the enemy team bag carriers. But that plan shortly went out the window when the bag carrier ended up being my good friend Cobra. Normally I'd let him get shot, but in this game I thought I'd give him a little bit of support.
Yeah.
What have you done?
18th yesterday.
Ah.
I'm contemplating the back left knee.
I'm gonna get this on film.
Bit of a gabbler, me, sir. Bit of a gabbler.
Get in, Bob!
They're turning on each other. We're gonna have no problem beating them this time. Yeah, he's got a pretty good weapon too.
Medic, green.
Hit! Son of a bitch. Fucking ricochets. Sort me out, Gov. Fucking ricocheted off that tree.
Man, you got some fucking big arms, mate.
Yeah, man.
Right, you're in.
Push it! Take it down!
Hit!
Green, medic.
Come res me, you dick!
Sweet, well, we won't be getting one anyway.
One that's run off.
Oh, corner. Oh, corner over there. I ain't got the range on him from this pistol. On that tree. Nice.
Medic! Green medic!
You crawl in.
Dead players can't talk. Take KIA, mate. Should I, mate? Take KIA. Contact on time. Take your KIA. Dead players can't talk. Okay.
Contact right. Oh, heck! Good shot, medic!
Dead player walking.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we push it?
I mean, we've got infinite lives, so.
Yeah, from here.
That guy behind the tree is pinned. He's moving.
Don't fancy going out and getting killed.
Hey buddy, you got mesh on?
Hey?
Buddy, you got mesh eyes?
Yeah.
Can you go through here?
I can indeed. Can indeed. Got one.
Whoa!
Heads down, heads down.
Stay down.
Yeah, smoke the shit out of them.
Contact the breeze, that's you guys, right?
Yeah, watch that left.
Green?
You're not there, are you?
I'll be here.
I need to get a sight on that fucking wall.
Hit! Green medic! Hit! Green medic! Probably not the best person to watch. There's 16 minutes left.
Yeah. He's down. Do you want to res your bud?
Dead man crossing. Dead. Dead. Dead man coming out.
5 minutes to start this extraction.
There's 4 this side.
Dead player. Hit. Green medic.
With the main game coming to a close, now time for a traditional quick draw competition. As Cobra wasn't in attendance in the last game, today we ended up doing 2 quick draws in total, just to make it a bit fair.
I'll go the other side this time.
We're doing 2 because we didn't do one in Feb because I was that bloody fat.
I told you. I told you.
No, we're doing 2 today. I'm probably going to lose anyway. I'll be cool.
Right, recording.
Yep. You recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can we check yours?
Yeah, it's on. I put it on earlier.
Wait, I haven't got my magazine in.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I would have added 2.
It's the second time.
He was quicker than me. He was quicker.
I got my crack.
That one really hurt.
Right.
Wait.
For fuck's sake.
Alright. Okay.
Oh.
I don't know who that was. We both took a hit at the same time.
I can rewind it.
You'll have to rewind that one.
I think I hit his nipple.
No, it's there. Very close.
I Oh, aim's off.
That was close.
You were definitely quicker.
But I didn't get touched.
Yeah, I think I went shoulder to shoulder and then down the side.
Oh, mate, you were quicker though.
Yeah, I know. I just got to get that aim.
Thank you, Johnny.
And that'll do it for this video, guys. Thank you again for joining me on the channel. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and as always, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. We'll be both playing at Gunman Airsoft Camp Alpha on the 20th of April, so hopefully I'll see some of you there. If not, keep an eye on my channel because I'll post a video on that game day as well. Thanks again, and see you next time.